Let's color the picture of an insect that is good at jumping. This insect's name is the grasshopper. We start coloring with the background. Color it with cyan. I will explain a little about this insect. Grasshopper is a great jump athlete because it has very long and strong hind legs to jump very high. Hat. He has a green or brown shirt so he can hide behind the leaves without being noticed. And the most unique thing, grasshoppers can sing or make a chirp sound just by rubbing his legs against his wings. Grasshoppers also have long antennae on their heads which are used to feel their way and look for fresh leaves that are delicious to eat. Then light green to color the leaves. The leaves on the flower on the right of the picture, color it with this. Combined with a darker green color. Choose a lighter green color. Likewise for the large leaf where the grasshopper stands. Large flower petals in front of the grasshopper. Color them yellow. The middle part is brown. For the two flowers above, color them purple, purple and light purple. For the last flower, color it greenish blue. Gray. Now color the grasshopper. Choose starting from dark green for the antennae and soles of the feet. The chest and stomach are also this color. For the remaining parts of the body that have not been colored, color them green. His tongue is red. Maroon.
Yeah!
This picture of a grasshopper on a tree comes to life.